It's time to start tearing apart the bathrooms.
Welcome to Casa Stefano. This is my story of buying a house in Italy, sight unseen, during the pandemic, and the adventure of renovating the house and exploring the Salento in southern Puglia.
Let's take a look at our toilet room, bathroom number 1. So we're going to leave obviously the toilet and the tank alone, but we need to clear out all this stuff that's on the walls, and we need to take out the bidet. And then once we get that, we can knock out this wall and take it from there. Let's get started. I've got gloves on mostly because it's really cold here, and but also for general safety.
It's just plastic crap. Tear it off already. Oh my God, just yank it off.
Leave that stuff alone. So there's still anchors and some screws in here, but that will just be chiseled out.
He did a double take so he wouldn't hit his head again.
So, 3 big ass nails holding that towel rack in place. Hammered straight into the brick and mortar.
Is this guy getting paid hourly? A sledgehammer would have finished this stuff already.
So I thought I would show you what's going on here with this expertly laid tile on the wall. So as I was pulling off this thing, this is all just ready to fall off. So I'm gonna do just that, rip that out, clean up a little bit, and see if I can set up the camera down in there. I don't want to tear this wall out just yet because I need to do stuff on the other side. So
This camera angle sucks. The only thing I can see really good is this bald spot. Yes, I'm sitting on the bidet because it's the only place to sit on this side. I wanted to show you what's going on over here on the wall. I'll pan down. And kind of a panoply of colors here. Sometime I think this is original plaster, perhaps. We'll find out as we chip away. I see yellow, I see green, I see white, of course. It seems like they found a lot of very vibrant colors to make this toilet balcony an interesting place. So that's it for bathroom demolition part 1. Thanks for joining. Da da da. Yes, nope. Microphone.